Hi everyone, I do hope you're well. I thought I'd better put a video up. It's been a while since my last video. A couple of you have asked, am I okay? I'm fine. I've just been really busy. I've got lots of new stock, which I've been putting onto the website on an evening. If you are new to my channel, I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, and there you'll find jewellery, craft and jewellery making supplies, and I do cater for those that are new to making jewellery. So the majority of my supplies you can buy in small quantities. As my channel is growing, there are some of you that would prefer to have some strands, so they are currently on their way to me. I also do have a 10% offer off of a £10 spend on my website. Those of you that have placed orders, whether you have used the discount or not, thank you so much. I really appreciate your orders. So it's Saturday evening. I've been in the garden weeding. I'm not going to show you, but I am, even though I put sun cream on, I have got burnt with the sun. I'm so white. I don't know if you can remember these. I've been going for a long time, and I think it was about 10 years ago I used to sell these. But to be honest, back then I don't think the detail was so great. The mermaid's faces were not great, but I saw these and I love them because there's even a belly button. Obviously you can see the boobies, but there's a belly button. That's the back of them. So these are connectors. So I've got these back in stock again. They're made of alloy. Now, very simple. You can just put a chain on, add 2 jump rings. I love these mermaid beads. They're acrylic, and I've got them in lots of colours. I've got pink, I've got green, blues, bubblegum. I think bubblegum is my favourite. So I'm going to use these today. I've got some clear 0.6 elastic. So let me show you what I've been doing. I'll just move this out the way. So we've got the mermaid at the bottom. After the mermaid, I've got the 6mm. Now these have got large holes on them, so I'm going to use that to hide the knot. So we've got a silver bead, 6mm silver, 10mm, another 6mm, then I've gone 5 8mm, 10mm silver bead, just again to break it up, 5 8mm, 10mm silver bead, 5 10mm silver bead, 5. So, and I've done the same the other side. Now I honestly don't know how long, there isn't that much left on here, but I'm just taking off what I've got, which is, as you can see, it's far too much. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my mermaid, so I'm going to thread through the silver bead, and I'm going to take this side, and then I'm going to take the other end, and I'm going to go through that silver bead as well. So there we have it. So we've gone through the tail, I've gone back through that, back through the silver bead, and I'm now going to tie. I'm going to do a surgeon's, I always do a surgeon's knot. So I'm going to go over twice. It's going to be fiddly because it's such a long piece. Back through again. Pull together. We have one the other way. And we have one for luck. Then I'm going to actually go through a couple of beads. So I'm going to go through the 10mm and the silver. So there's the 10mm, there's the silver. I'm going to thread up those two beads. So it's like that. I'm just going to cut off that excess. Make sure you cut the right one off. I've done that before. And then we just start threading the beads. Gosh, it's so long. It's so long. How are you all? Have you had a lovely weekend? It's actually Saturday now, Saturday evening. I think I've already said that, but it's Saturday. Just been working on the garden. Oh, so many weeds. So many weeds. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me just cut that end off because it's a bit bleh. It's not like we don't have enough, is it? So that's what we've got, the pattern. I like that, but obviously you do what you want to do. There is that side done. And I'm just going to go and carry on doing this side now, and I'll get back to you when I reach this bead. There is my necklace. So it's just over 18 inches. So what I'm going to do is I should have done this before. I'm just giving the elastic a stretch. Don't use your nails. So there we have our necklace. So the plan is to go through here. Right, we do need to, let me cut this off because I can reuse that piece. So we've gone back through there. Right, I need to thread that back through the beads. We don't want that stuck out, do we? Right, make sure we're happy with everything. That is the same colour. Okay. I'm going to go back up, silver bead, there we are. So what I'm going to do on this one, I'm going to go up, not just that first bead, I'm going to go up the 10mm bead, and I'm going to go through the silver 6mm bead. There we go. Right, let's pull that together, and then I'm just gonna make sure everything is in. And here I'm just gonna tie a knot, and I'm just going to tie a couple of knots on there. So go around, back through, let's pull it tight. We're going to do the same again, pull it through. Now I'm going to go back through that silver bead. If you want to use a needle, you can. Back through the 10mm bead. And I'm going to do the same again. But I'm going to do 3 knots on this one. That's my second. And my third. Right, let's snip that off. There we have our mermaid necklace. Really quick, really simple to put together. See, they all match up. Lovely. So easy, you could do that too. Please check out the website. I think these large ones are in packs of 10. They could even be packs of 5. I honestly can't, I've put so much new stock on. But as I say, I cater for those that are new to making jewellery. So I do hope you liked that video. If you could give it a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell. I've got lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. And if you want to pop a comment down below, it just helps YouTube see the interaction, and then they will put my videos before more people. So I would really appreciate if you could do that. Thank you so much for watching. Take care everyone. Enjoy the rest of your weekend and happy crafting.